This is one of the best strategies that I've used, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys on this video. This strategy can help you quit your job or just become profitable. All right, now it works on the 15 minutes time frame very well, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. All right, cool. First and foremost, there is only one indicator, right? As you can see, only one indicator, which is called support and resistance levels with breaks, Lux Algo. All right, now people uses it a little bit different from me, but I'll show you guys how I use it. Right now, whenever a red line forms, right, or a blue line forms, as you can see right there, you want to wait for price to return to either one of them. So if price returns here or here, you want to watch the reaction. If price rejects when it comes to the blue line or the red line, it's a clear signal to buy, right? And if price comes to the red line, as you can see right here, and it rejected, as you can see, it's a clear signal to sell right there. Now I'm going to show you another example, right? You can see price created a red line here and a red line and a blue line here, but unfortunately price hasn't gotten there yet, so you just wait for new lines to form. Now we can see price formed a line here and formed well, this one hadn't been formed yet, but you can see price also formed a line here. Right now price returned to this line over here. What happened? Price rejected it, and that was a clear sign to sell. As you can see, price came all the way down here. Now price came to the blue line, as you can see right here, rejected it. That was a clear sign to buy. Very powerful strategy. Use it. Let me know what you think, and yeah, we'll talk in the next video.